Okay, today, you guys, today is here. It is here. Another day. We are going to make something that catapults things far away. We're going to make something that was used in the Middle Ages, you know, the time of the swords and sword fights. You guys like to do sword fights, and the helmet and the metal thing and the chain gang thing all over their body and the thing, feathers and the hats and the whole outfit, that medieval time, and they used to go to war and they had to project these humongous balls of fire or just regular huge stone balls to try to knock down the castle walls, knock down the castle walls of their enemy. We are going to experiment with making our own catapult to knock down the castle walls of, I don't know, maybe some Legos. You can get some blocks. You can make a card house and try to knock it down. Yeah, we're not going to catapult things that are hard. We're going to catapult soft stuff. Okay, so safety warning. Okay, now the supplies you're going to need for the catapult are tape. This tape is kind of fat. I actually have two types of tape because this is what I can find. Remember, find stuff from around your house. I can find this. I have this, it's like one of these paper clamper things. I was really irritated that I couldn't find a small one, but I'm lucky to find this one. It's got dust all over it and everything. It's completely old, but I'm lucky that I found it. I have some popsicle sticks. I'm going to need 4. I have these thick popsicle sticks which work better. If you have regular popsicle sticks, that's fine. If you don't have popsicle sticks, do you have popsicles in the fridge? Can you go eat them? So you can get 4 popsicle sticks. That's an option. Other than that, just go look around for something that's hard. Some things that are hard that maybe you'll find it. And then you need a top. Right now I have this top here, but would work best if you have a water bottle top or if you had a soda pop top. We used to call it soda pop. Soda pop. Yeah, anyways, it's because of the bubbles. But anyway, so I found this top, and I'm going to use this. I got some soft things to catapult, like what I was talking about. And let's get it started. I'm going to bejewel it too. So remember, you guys, you can always decorate everything. Art it all up. Always. Those are all A's. That's crazy. Okay, all right. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here. I am going to flip this one at a time inside out. So now I have this looking like an L. So it was like this. I just did that. Laid it there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tape. Oh, this tape is not sticky right there no more. I don't use that. I'm going to get some tape. And I'm going to take one of my popsicle sticks. Oh, those are my doggies. They're playing. They may not be happy with each other. They sound kind of unhappy with each other, but then they're playing at the same time. It makes you wish you were them, right? And then you're going to wrap it around. Do you see what I'm doing? I am attaching the popsicle stick to one of the arm handles. Do you see? Let me unravel this. So, see the handle? See the popsicle stick? Okay, I'm taping it on. I'm making sure that that's on tight. You want to make sure that this is on tight because, you're going to bend this back. Right. You already know about these technical things. Anyhow, like I said, we're going to put another popsicle stick on this side. Look how the tape is getting crazy. Don't let your tape get crazy. Okay. All right. Anyhow, so the tape is not being friendly. Okay. Now I have to, we're going to figure this out. You can have your family hold one of the sides and then, they can help you. I'm definitely figuring this out. I think I'm wrapping the tape all the way up just to provide even more of that strength, that more of that strongness here. So You probably guessed what we're going to do with this side. What do you think we're going to do with this side? Yes, if you thought we were going to do the same thing we did here over here, you are right. We are going to do the same thing we did here over here. So let's get to it. I've got to figure out a new plan for this tape. Flip it back. Take this one separate. Whew. Take your time. Looks like the only way this is going to get done. Definitely takes a bit of coordination here, which clearly I don't have. My stick here looks like a mummy. But friends, I know that you guys have got that magic touch with your little creative fingers just tingling all over the place. Okay, here we go. You guys know I miss you guys. Everything's gonna be all good. Just so that you know. That's why we're chilling and making catapults. Other one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. I would probably should have put, so on this side. Now we're gonna put one on this side. So each arm of the clipper, the black clipper thing, has 2 popsicle sticks attached to each side of the catapult. And let me say it again. Each arm of this black clipper, each arm has two popsicle sticks attached on both sides. Get a close up there. See how there's one stick on this side and one stick on this side? You can see the metal clipper in the middle. Okay, all right. So just make sure you've got that. Just keep twisting this up. Keep twisting this up. I even actually want to put more tape here because I just feel like it's stronger. I don't want it to like break, fall apart, or snap, you know, so it's best for you to just cover the whole entire stick with tape because, you know, it's just a little bit safer just in case the stick does pop. It doesn't like fly in your eye like, you know, splinter in your eye. Okay, so now I have this thing. Oh, I have this thing. It feels kind of unstable. What do you think we can do to make this not do this? Well, if you thought maybe we can put something that goes perpendicular, which is something like this. Now, this is parallel, perpendicular. Maybe we should put something going like this so that it doesn't tip. Yes, so I have this popsicle stick. Now, as you can see, this is a full popsicle stick. This is the popsicle stick that I have. So I don't have a full popsicle stick. So you are going to cut piece about this big off. Just cut it off. Don't use your scissors. You're going to ruin your scissors. Don't use your scissors to cut popsicle sticks. We always talk about that. Don't use your scissors. Okay. So to put this here, I'm going to use my hot glue gun. Going to put a little bit of hot glue here. I probably should put more. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use tape. Tape works. Tape works. I'm using a hot glue gun because I like it because it goes like this. Like, it's like, I like it. Just feels just really hot glue gunny. Okay, let's see, does that work? Oh, look at that. No slide, just glide. No slide. I wonder if it should glide. It probably didn't in the medieval days. Anyhow, okay, so now we are going to attach something to hold the thing we're catapulting in, okay? So if we're catapulting a pom-pom ball, right? Look at me. If we're catapulting a pom-pom ball, what are we gonna put the pom-pom ball in order to hold it and create that potential energy? Because when the catapult is coming down, it's creating potential energy. Let me show you. Potential energy, potential energy, potential energy, potential energy, potential energy. It's held. How do we turn this potential energy into kinetic energy? Here we go. Pop. Anyways, if this was attached, that would have been the kinetic energy. Anyhow, so next step, connect this to this. Obviously, if you have like a water bottle top and you're using a water bottle top, that's cool too. You want to take that tape and you want to just go ahead and just wrap the tape so it goes inside of this. Let me show you an example of that. I'll be right back. Let me get a water bottle top. Okay, now I found water bottle top. Here we go. So we're gonna attach this to here. Okay, this is gonna be our bowl. This is gonna be the part of the catapult that holds whatever we're catapulting, whether it be a pom-pom ball, or back in the medieval days, it'd be like a round metal ball, maybe with even fire, tar. That would hurt. Anyhow, so if you're using tape, what you need to do is take the top, come in closer, take the top, push the tape in the top, like all the way in, and create like a bowl. See that bowl? Create a bowl. Place that bowl right on the tippity top of this side of the catapult. So this is the opposite side of this perpendicular popsicle stick. This is what keeps the catapult balanced. Now here's the bowl here, right? So I would catapult something. Let's see if it works with that. Oh, it definitely works. I almost don't need the hot glue at all, but just to reinforce things, because I'm just like that, I'm gonna put some hot glue so it doesn't fall apart, so I can probably try to catapult. Maybe I can catapult this. All right, let's see if this works. Okay, okay, so don't forget, when I'm pulling this back, I'm creating potential energy, stored energy, potential energy, potential energy, potential energy, potential energy. Now I'm gonna stop, and the energy is stored right here. It is stored. Now I'm gonna let that energy go, and it's gonna turn into kinetic energy. I need to put that projectile in there. The thing that's gonna project forward there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I'm not ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my.
Ooh, that went straight up. All right, now let me try to project like a pom-pom ball. Just because I'm just like to have fun like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. Now that went. All right, you guys, so don't forget, be safe. If you want to play pom-pom basketball, basketball, yeah. If you want to play pom-pom basketball, just get a piece of foil, roll it on up, wrap it, tie it, go twist it to anything, an arm of a table, a staircase, a doorknob. Just twist it to it. Now you've got a ring. Get your sling and start catapulting until your heart just melts. I miss you guys. Keep your hands clean. Make sure you're staying inside and being safe. I will see you soon. I love y'all. Catapult.